Hi everyone, today we're doing Module 4 of Level E of VMath, Understanding Fractions and Equivalents. We're on Lesson 9, so turn to page 37 to follow along and take notes. So today is a guide to discovery, comparing fractions using fraction strips. So now we're going to compare different fractions. So 2/3, here's a fraction strip. So if we represent it by shading in, we're going to shade in 2 out of 3. So there are 3 sections and 2 out of 3 would make 2/3. Here we have 5/8. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're shade in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this would represent 5/8. So then you can compare fraction strips when you put them closer. Here we have 3/5 and 4/5. Well, each of these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll do 3/5 here, 1, 2, 3. So we have three spaces filled in on the fraction strip. And then for 4/5, we'll shade in 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you do that on the fraction strip, you can very easily, because now that they're closer together, sorry about the bell. Now that they're closer together, you can see that this one is longer. So we would say 3/5 is less than 4/5. Here we have on the next one, number 4, 5, 6, and 4, 6. So again, let's shade in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have 5, 6. And then on the next one, we'll shade in 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. And very easily, again, we can see that 5, 6 is greater than 4, 6. So we would say 5, 6 is greater than 4, 6. Here now we have different denominators. We have 2/5 and then 2/3. So we want to compare the different denominators. So here on this top one is 2/5. So we'll shade in 2/5. And then on the bottom, we'll shade in 2/3, 1, 2. Well, we can see very quickly that thirds are bigger than fifths. Thirds are bigger than fifths. So even though they're both 2, their numerator is 2, we can see that 2/5 is less than 2/3. Next one, 1/2 and 1/6. So those are both unit fractions. So 1/2 is half of the fraction strip, but then 1/6 is just one little section, 1/6. So we can again see 1/2 is bigger than, so 1/2 is greater than 1/6. Okay, so we're going to go back and look at problem 6, and we're going to explain how to show that 3/6 is equivalent to 1/2. Use your fraction bars to model each fraction. Well, we'll draw it on here. So we can see here, if we draw our own little fraction strips, we can shade in, here's 1/2. And you can use your own fraction strips that your teacher gives you, or you can use fraction strips that are linked to this lesson. And then 3/6. So 1, 2, 3, 6. So we can see that 1/2 is equivalent to 3/6. So make sure to use fraction strips, fraction bars to help you with your assignments. Okay, on your own, you're going to complete page 38. Make sure to use your fraction strips and rewatch if you need help. Good luck.